So we have the heavyweight champion, the black Zinc Alloy 80HE, versus the lightweight champion, the PCR Ghost 80HE. They both look very delicious, not for consumption by the way. And we of course gonna test how do they sound like and how do they compare to each other. And I wanna say the black Zinc Alloy 80HE of course sounds identical to the white Zinc Alloy and the raw Zinc Alloy case, because it's pretty much just the same material. And the same goes of course for the PCR cases. So this PCR Ghost will sound exactly the same as the PCR Black and Frost cases. So you know, let's not talk any further and let's get straight in the sound test. Let's go. And that's pretty much it for the video. What do you guys think? Did the PCR case sound the best, or did actually the Zinc Alloy case sound the best? And before you guys are gonna be quickly jumping to the comment section, let me lay these down. Before you guys quickly type down your comment, where is the Jades? Where is whatever switch is out there? I will be doing a comparison on the PCR cases and the Zinc Alloy cases together, also with Jade switches, Geon Raw switches, and potentially more switches to come. And I will only test switches which are actually compatible with the Wooting, because some switches may have too heavy magnets or are just inconsistent, and I want to make sure I will give you guys a sound test of switches that actually work with our keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey, goodbye.